Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how to create screencasts using ScreenCast-O-Matic. It's only one of the pieces of software you can use. There's Jing, Snagit, Camtasia, ScreenR, a lot of different ones that you can use to capture your screen. So the first thing I did is I went to right here ScreenCastomatic.com, and what you will do is you will go and you'll get your free recorder. I've already downloaded it, so it says it will appear in a second. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my screen size. So these, we call them marching ants. How big a screen do I want to create? I adjust it. If I hit record now, I get a countdown. I'm recording using ScreenCast-O-Matic right now. I would run through anything I need to. In this case, maybe I'll bring up our NGSS standards logo. Maybe I'm going to talk about this and explain what discipline core ideas are, cross-cutting, science and engineering practices. And if I'm done with my video, I will hit pause. It says, if I'm done, what are my options now? So I can save it and upload it. I can share it with a link, a ScreenCast-O-Matic link, or I can edit it. If I have some pauses, some I was interrupted, I can actually go and edit that video. In this case, I want to upload it. And it's asking me, do I want to upload it, or do I want to save it as a video file, a ScreenCast-O-Matic, or a YouTube? My suggestion is a YouTube. Save it to your YouTube channel. So you hit YouTube. It's going to publish it in my account. It's important that you change the privacy to public. If it's private, you won't be able to see it, or I won't be able to see it, your colleagues won't be able to see it. I hit publish. I can give it a different name. In this case, it's recording number 9. And again, this is what I said. The larger or longer your video is, the longer it's going to take to upload. It's just because it takes up more memory. It's done. I can copy the link, upload the link. Okay, I am done